DevOps for Kids.
Hi everyone, I'm Bohaki Cindy, the organizer of DevOps for Kids South Africa. Today we had the privilege to do our first DevOps for Kids event in Cape Town through the cooperation of CodeBridge here in Newlands. I can gladly say that it was a success. We had positive feedback from parents and kids. We're glad to say that we will have future events also here in CodeBridge. I spoke to the guys, Scark, Mish, and everyone involved, and they're more than happy to host the event here in CodeBridge. Expect future events. If you miss this event, that's not the last event we'll have in Cape Town. We'll definitely do more events in CodeBridge. Today, they actually had a basic understanding on how to do game programming and what's programming about through gaming exercises and trying to learn how to do a basic game through hardcore JavaScript. It was a bit difficult, but at least they had more or less a good idea on what programming is about. So in the future, we love to hear your ideas. You can hit us on all our social media platforms or our email and give us suggestions on what you want to hear. We're also planning to host an online platform where kids can learn various programming languages. So if you're interested to learn the basics of programming at your own leisure, also hit me up on social media and then we'll sign you up. Obviously you need parents' permission, and then once you sign up, you basically can do programming online. And then feel free to hit me up on any platforms with various questions on what it's all about. We're more than glad to help and assist. We are committed to introducing programming to every kid in South Africa, so expect future events. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Mish Suela. I do work for Open Up, an NGO that focuses on civic tech as a way to solve social problems and bring innovations that can help improve the society. We run CodeBridge as part of our project to host workshops and events that can help achieve that goal. So today in Cape Town, we had an opportunity to host DevOps for Kids SA. We're having a workshop that was focusing on kids from 8 till 17, introducing them to basic programming through building a game and playing games and knowing how it's all done. We are very much looking forward to working with DevOps for Kids SA, furthering their goal in introducing kids at an early stage to programming. We're very much looking forward to having more events happening, partnering together with DevOps for Kids. So whoever you are watching, I hope you are going to team with us in this project that we hope to bring a lot of kids on board and create a nation and future generation of well-founded programmers.